We're from Certificate IP, the last year Youth for SDGs winner team. So a little background to our project. Our school already has a recycling program that encourages students to bring in trash every Friday. However, high school students lack interest in this program and don't bring enough trash to support this program. So we came up with a project called the MyWaste program that encourages high school students to bring trash by using an application on the phone that keep tracks of the points as rewards every time they bring trash to this program or bring their own cups to buy drinks at the school cafe. So every time they bring their trash or use their own cups, they'll scan their QR codes and keep track of those points, which later can be exchanged for rewards such as bamboo straws or free drinks at the school cafes.
So basically what inspired our program was our daily lives. We noticed that stores began to incorporate more of the use of QR codes, which made buying and selling really convenient. So we wanted to incorporate that convenience into our program and provide a solution that people actually find convenient and they won't use the inconvenience of making a change as an excuse. So that's what we really wanted to bring out with our program.
So first we learn about being mindful about the environment and to care more about the environment, and also we also learned that everyone can make a positive change for the environment, and the change must start with ourselves first. Then when we make some change, we'll feel uncomfortable like in the first place, but as you keep on doing it, living with it, you will get used to it, and that will become your habit, then become your lifestyle, and then you could spread the word to others, and together we could create like a better place for the world and the future generations.
For our future plan, we have plans to become a plastic-free school by banning all use of single-use plastic in school cafes and cafeterias, and also expanding our platform to a bigger platform, so maybe the university or our other programs in our school.
So lastly, we highly encourage all of you watching to join in this program because it certainly was a great experience for all of us. We really challenged ourselves and we learned many new things through this program. And like the motto of this program, we are the youth, the future generation, so let's all unite, make a change. Good luck.
Good luck. Good luck.